Hello student. In today's lecture we are going to talk about the basic concepts of genetics. As we have started our chapter, or we have started our new syllabus related to the genetics. So we are going to talk about the basics of genetics. Now here we can take a simple example that will explain very well about the different concepts in genetics. So here we can say I have written this capital T and capital T. In genetics, this capital T is utilized or used for a single character, that is tall or tallness. Suppose plant is tall, and for that plant we can use this particular capital T. And on the other side we can say that small t and small t is there. This is nothing but the another character that is known as dwarf. So we can say that these are nothing but the two character tall and dwarf. म्हणजे साध्या भाषेत सांगायचं तर हे एकच कॅरेक्टर आहे, ते म्हणजे उंची. एक तर उंची जास्त असेल किंवा उंची कमी असेल. सो वी कॉल्ड इट ॲज अ टॉल अँड डॉर्फ. नाउ दिस इज नोन ॲज दी पॅरेंट्स. सो okay, so these are the parents. These parents are one parent we can say a capital T. म्हणजे एक पॅरेंट्स जे आहेत पॅरेंट्सपैकी एक जे आहेत ते टॉल आहेत आणि दुसरा डॉर्फ आहे. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॅरामीटर कम्स दॅट इज नोन ॲज दी गमिट्स. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट दी capital T and this is known as the small t. So these are known as the gametes. So these gametes fuses with each other and it will provides capital T small t. So this capital T small t is known as the F1 generation. म्हणजेच नवीन तयार झालेली जनरेशन किंवा फर्स्ट फिलियल जनरेशन, वी कॉल्ड इट ॲज अ F1 generation. So capital T small t. Now this F1 generation is also known as the hybrid generation. In this hybrid generation what we can say, capital T is there and small t is there, and that's why it is known as the hybrid F1 generation. Now in this particular lecture what we have seen two different concepts. One, the gametes. We have also gone through the capital T means the character. Also we have seen the small t, that is nothing but the another character. So these are the characters, and for a single character two different symbols are used, that is capital T. So two capital T is used for the single character. Likewise small t is also used for the single character. टॉलनेस हे एक कॅरेक्टर झालं, पण त्यापैकी डॉर्फनेस हे दुसरं कॅरेक्टर, म्हणजे हाईटसाठी असलेलं दुसरं कॅरेक्टर झालं. अशा प्रकारे आपण कॅरेक्टर्स यूज केले आणि त्यासाठी कॅपिटल टी स्मॉल टी हे दोन सिम्बॉल यूज केले. त्यानंतर आपण बघितलं गमिट्स. कॅपिटल टीमध्ये एक गमिट खाली आपण लिहिलं कॅपिटल टी आणि स्मॉल टी. दीज आर नोन ॲज दी गमिट्स. And when these gamete fuses with each other, again they will go for the next generation. That generation is known as F1 generation, and this F1 generation is having capital T and small t. That means hybrid generation is produced. So this is nothing but the basic concept related to genetics. So watch this video 2 times to understand the basic concepts.